So the rise of ChatGPT has been unprecedented, and many people are speculating as to what GPT-5 will bring. Now, we all know that ChatGPT did rise incredibly crazy. I mean, if you compare it to some of the other applications on the internet, you can see that it was one of the fastest growing platforms in the world at over 100 million users in just 60 days. So that's why we know very well that ChatGPT is most certainly going to impact the world in a very profound way. I mean, if you're able to hit 100 million monthly users in only 2 months, it means that the worldwide impact is going to be felt everywhere. Now, as for GPT-5 and GPT-4 and GPT-3, you can all see that there are going to be some very interesting differences. So on the left-hand side, we do have ChatGPT-3. On the middle, we have GPT-4, which is text and image. And of course, GPT-5, I am expecting there to be text, image, and of course, some video modality where you can potentially use videos to gain data or potentially have text to video, which is definitely going to be very, very interesting. Now, of course, there is the last tab, of course, which is touch. And the only way that this is achievable is if OpenAI manage to get their hands on some really cool robots or manage to build them themselves. And that's what I'm going to be talking about later on in this video, because OpenAI are definitely doing the development of that. And it's very, very interesting to see how they're going to start incorporating real world robots into our everyday lives. Now, of course, you can see right here that the implications of GPT are incredible, because GPT-4 is far superior and far smarter than that of GPT-3. And of course, with the vision, it just makes it that much smarter. Now, of course, that being that much smarter, you can all see right here that it did manage to pass many different exams. But with GPT-5, it's likely going to ace these exams completely, which definitely means that this kind of software is likely going to be used worldwide. I mean, imagine you're in a third world country, but you have access to one of the best lawyers on the planet just by downloading a simple app. And imagine with the new functions and modalities such as image and video, imagine just recording a video and asking GPT to identify exactly what the problem is and asking for an immediate solution. It could simply find the solution in your environment. And that's something that it's already managed to do, which is absolutely incredible. And I can definitely imagine that everyone on the planet will be using this, because if they aren't, they're going to be at a competitive disadvantage. I mean, we've already seen exactly how great GPT-4 is at interpreting